How to make a new TikTok account if you already have one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how can you make a new TikTok account even if you already have one. So first things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. There, go to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Switch Account option. Tap on it. Tap on Add Account. And now you can choose to log in with your phone number, your email, your Apple ID, and your Google. Make sure it's not the already used one. That's not associated with your old account, and now you can use a new account along with your old account by just switching accounts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.